Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can change the charging sound on your iPhone. So go to shortcuts first and go to automation, create personal automation, and you're going to scroll down and you're going to select charger. You can select is connected and is disconnected together, or you can have them different separately, I guess. So you are going to select the next button, then add action, and you're going to search speak text. Select speak text here and enter the text. Phone is charged, I guess. You can adjust it a little bit, the pitch, the language, as well as the voice. Then you're going to select next. Then you're going to select, deselect the ask before running, and select don't ask and press done, and you can try that out. The second one is, let me just delete that, is like a natural mp3 audio, so download that first. Create personal automation, scroll down to charger again, select next. Then I'm just going to open up the mp3 file here, select share, select copy, go back to the shortcut, and and add action. You're going to type in code, and you're going to select base 64 encode. Select the input and select clipboard, and you're just going to select the play button. Select the share button and select copy. Select next. Turn this off and press don't ask and select done. Select it again, go to the do section, select the play sound here, and then select the encode, select decode, and then we are going to select the play sound, and then you're just going to select this to try it out. Hopefully it works. And that is it. Just press done and you're good to go. Hopefully this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.